Yeah, hi to all. Just want to show you how to fit a dominator on a 450 box. This is a 450 box, a carrying box. See, I cut all the edges. So you cut all the edges. The foam insert, you cut it. This is how you place it. It's controller, my X8. And then there it is. What we did is I cut this portion. Okay. No, show you first. Alright. So this is how it looks. Put the controller in. Put the L in. And then put the canopy. Okay. Whichever you like. Standing, sideways. Sideways. Then don't show what you cut, okay? It's the L type. And you transport it. And we're here. As you can see, yeah. I'm gonna be pressing it a bit, but the eggshell, it's soft and just like a memory foam to let hurt the canopy. Okay. There she goes. Lock it up. Lock. All set to go. Thank you.